Continue on Arches National Park Road for 15 miles. In 1,000 feet, you will arrive at your destination.
Hey everybody, we've made it to the Fiery Furnace. This is maybe the most coveted hike here at Arches National Park. It's a permit hike and they only hand out 75 per day. You apply for these up to 7 days in advance and it costs you $10 a person. So for the two of us, it was 20 bucks. We're here bright and early. It's supposed to hit 95 today. And this is called the Furnace for a good reason. It's you're hiking through these real narrow corridors. They call them fins. So there's lots of ups and downs, twists and turns, and it looks like just a lot of fun. So it's about 6 a.m. I don't know if I mentioned it's about 2 miles in length. They say on average it takes between 2 to 5 hours to complete. Now yesterday we had to go through a little bit of a training course at the visitor center. Took about 30 minutes. They show you a video and then a park ranger talks to you about the do's and don'ts of this hike. So this is going to be interesting, a lot of fun. And one extra thing is for me, this is the first hike since I had a total knee replacement. So it's been 3 months since I had the replacement. So this could be interesting, but I think I'm ready for it. I may be walking a little slow, but I think I'll make it through okay. All right, here we go. You can see that arrow there. There's a lot of those little arrows that help point you in the right direction. All right, we kind of made it down to the bottom. At least I think we're in the bottom, the sandy wash. That was hard for me. My knee's already talking to me and we just started. I'll make it. Warm. Feel down. Whew. What are we? About 20 minutes in. We haven't got into any of the narrow parts yet. They're coming. I'm gonna have to take my backpack off to get through this. Pretty narrow. So the arrow says go this way, and there's a sign up there that says dead end if you go that way, but according to the AllTrails map, it looks like there might be an arch up this way, so we're gonna head up that way and see if we can find it. All right, we made it to Skull Arch, and I'm glad we came this way. It's really cool. I mean, there's nobody back here, and pretty cool arch. Let me show it to you. right, we made it back to where we took that detour back to Skull Arch, and now we're back on the main trail. A bit steep here, huh?
Yeah.
Try not to tip over. Use my water bottles. What do you think?
Is this it?
All right, we found a second arch. It's called Kissing Turtle Arch. It looks like two turtle heads kissing right there. Wow, this has been an adventure so far. We've gone up a couple areas that was not right and had to turn around, and lots of scooting and twists and turns. A little more challenging than what I thought it was going to be, but absolutely beautiful. All right, this is a good example of what I think it's called biologic crust is. And this is something you definitely don't want to step on. This enhances the vegetation to grow. They say it takes 50 to 100 years for this to develop again if you were to step on it and destroy it.
Best to go up. I don't.
Take your time. Could be slippery. Here, I'm gonna hand you my camera. That right leg's weak from the surgery.
Whew.
All right, we've made it to a fork where straight straight ahead takes you to the dead end. That's where Surprise Arch is. We're going to do that. And then to continue on the trail, you go down that canyon right there. So we're going to head back to Surprise Arch. Wow, what a surprise. There's an arch up here. Wow. Straight. Yeah, see how the white ones kind of look like steps up there? We're done. Fiery Furnace. It was a lot of fun. A lot of fun. For me, it was a little more difficult than I thought. I just really lacked the strength to be able to do some of the things that normally I could do, but it was a lot of fun, beautiful. It took us 2 hours and 45 minutes to complete, and we did it counterclockwise. I don't know if I said that earlier, and that's the preferred method because that's the way that the arrows will be pointing you in the right direction.
In the All Trails map, it did help. We've heard some people say that it didn't help them, but it helped us. It showed us the trail, and because we got off of trail a couple times.
Yeah, we got off trail a few times, but you can pick up the satellite reception in there, and the All Trails map worked very
and
well.
Google Maps did too. I downloaded the Google Maps and it worked too. So
yeah, a lot of fun. Definitely worth applying for the permit.
oh, yeah.
And I think you should do it if you're here. Great time. Y'all take care, and we'll be seeing you soon. Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.